Namaste, dear wonderful mother and caring father. This is your parental coach, Pradeep Acharya. This would be your fourth video. Okay, in this video, we'll be talking about a very important aspect, which is the definition of Garbha Sanskara according to Garbhopanishad. I repeat, according to Garbhopanishad, what is the definition of Garbha Sanskara? Let me read it out for you. A unique concept developed by ancient rishis through which parents can have a baby with all the psycho and physiological attributes parents want to be in their baby. What do you mean by psycho? Psycho means something related to mind. Psychiatrist, something related to mind. According to Garbhopanishad, they say you can have the baby with all the psychophysiological. Psycho means you can have the best mindset baby. Some parents come to me and they say, Acharya, I want my child to be always an achiever. I want my child to be brave. I want my child to have a lot of confidence. I want my child to have a lot of determination. All these things are related to mindset of a baby. And they say this is possible with Garbha Sanskara. And second, physiological attributes. What do you mean by physiological? Physiological means the features which you are able to see. Okay, some people come to me and they say, Acharya, I want my baby to have dimple. Acharya, I want my baby to have soft hair. Acharya, I want my baby to have blue color eyes. Okay, they are talking about the physical features. Now, according to Garbhopanishad, they say it is possible. All the psychophysiological attributes of your baby can be attained through Garbha Sanskara. This means Garbha Sanskara parents can plan and program their baby the way they want. It's a wonderful, reliable, effective, and unique science catering to the needs of modern parents. Here are a few examples of Garbha Sanskara. Somebody visualized this baby. Okay, they said, I want to have this baby, and they visualized. This is the baby they have delivered. They wanted to have eyes of this baby, and this is the baby they delivered. Somebody said, I want to have this kind of a baby, and they delivered this baby. And one more couple said, I want to have this kind of a baby. They underwent the program, and this is the baby they delivered. And one more couple said, I want to have this kind of a baby. This is very interesting. And this is the baby they delivered. See, if you look at this chin part, even that has got manifested. That is the power of Garbha Sanskara. Dear wonderful mothers and caring fathers, I am conducting a free masterclass this Sunday at 11 o'clock in the morning. So please attend it along with your spouse to know how you too can make your pregnancy precious and your unborn child genius. Meet you in the live webinar this Sunday at 11 a.m. Thank you very much.